Hi there, it's Albert Luck again from luckymaths.co.uk, working through proportion 6 today. This is focused on scale. So using the ratio table to answer scale problems. These could feature on a number of questions. It could be bearings based, it could just be standard given a scale, and then asked to convert centimetres or kilometres. So we're going to do two examples. Firstly, centimetres to kilometres, and then kilometres to centimetres. And then we're going to take on a kind of real exam style question when there's no units given and how to kind of deal with those. So 1 centimetre is 4 kilometres. We're straight in with that. So 2 centimetres therefore will be 8 kilometres because that's double. 4 centimetres is 16 and 8 centimetres is 32. The question obviously is we're trying to make 14 centimetres. So as I've done before, we need to look for which options will add to give us the 14 centimetres. In this case, basically everything but the 1 centimetre. So 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 8 would end up with 14 centimetres, representing 56 kilometres. In part 2, we're going to work backwards. 1 centimetre is still 4 kilometres, 2 is 8, 4 is 16, and 8 is 32. So, because we're doing obviously 34 kilometres, we've got 32 kilometres, but we are missing 2 kilometres. And it just so happens, if we half the 1 centimetre of 4 kilometres, we get 2, which means 32 plus 2, so again these are not valid. Therefore, if we add together the top ones, this is like I would use for division, this style, 8.5 centimetres must be equal to 34 kilometres. And now the exam style question. A model car's length is 6 centimetres. The scale of the model is 1 to 70. These are the ones where students get confused because there's no units. So you choose the units basically. Whatever you choose 1 is going to be, 70 has to be the same. So I've set up here on the right, we're going to use this ratio table. 1 centimetre for the model car represents 70 centimetres in real life. So therefore 2 centimetres would be 140 on the real car. 4 would be 280. Let's be careful though, I'm not going to double 4 now because it won't get me 6. Instead, I'm going to take these two answers, 2 centimetres and 4, and I'm going to add them together, which means 6 centimetres is actually 420 centimetres in real life. But of course, the question has an extra component because it says give the answer in metres. So to help students convert the 420 centimetres properly, we might want to use this ratio table below, but we need to realise that a metre is 100 centimetres, 2 metres would be 200, 4 metres is 400 centimetres, 0.1 of a metre, a tenth of a metre, is 10 centimetres, and therefore 0.2 is 20. So I'll underline again the numbers I can add together. Let's circle the top. This means 420 centimetres is the equivalent of 4.2 metres. And this again is another use of the ratio table to answer scale questions. Thanks for watching.